Shri M V Narayana, Chief Visionary Officer at the RISE Foundation, is a passionate advocate for community empowerment through education, healthcare, and sustainability. He has collaborated with organizations including WHO, UNICEF, NABARD, and worked as an independent consultant with various NGOs for over 40 years, helping them to build and manage partnerships. His mission bridges grassroots transformation with national impact, making him a compelling voice for inclusive development. Please share your thoughts with us, sir.
Yeah, good morning, all. And also the dignitaries we have here, Dr. H.S. Nagaraja, Dr. K.S. Nagabhushna, and Dr. Shankar, Dr. Shailesh Nayak, Professor Neer Orian, Dr. Jagveer Singh, Mr. G. Krishnamurthy, Professor Guru Rao, and trustees of Prayoga, and other dignitaries and experts we have here, and the students and the staff of Prayoga here. It is both an honor and a privilege to be here and representing RISE Foundation here, an organization which is committed to shaping India's future through education, health, environment, and sustainability. At the outset, I want to congratulate and extend my heartfelt congratulations to Prayoga Institute for taking this and conceptualizing and launching this much needed initiative through IGEO, and a timely and visionary initiative. This is far more than a workshop, and we believe it is a genesis of a movement, and one that places youth at the center of climate action and champions the power of scientific literacy and leadership to shape a better and more resilient world. This initiative is crucial and critical because the urgency is real. The time for discussion is over now, and the time for bold and systemic action is very much needed now. Investing in earth sciences thinking is no longer optional, but it is imperative now. At RISE, we believe lasting change occurs when grassroots realities converge and scientific insight, and that is precisely what IGEO embodies, and bringing together bright young minds from across India and globe to explore, innovate, and collaboratively address the most pressing environmental changes of our time. Having spent over 4 decades working across development, policy, and research, I can confidently say that the future belongs to those who can connect the dots between geoscience, sustainability, and human well-being. And RISE is proud to walk along Prayoga in this vital mission as a committed partner. We believe this collaboration can become a nationwide model for how civil society, scientific organizations, and CSR contributors can co-create and purpose-driven science-backed solutions for long-term impact. I would especially like to acknowledge the visionary leadership of Dr. HSN and the entire Prayoga team for reimagining science education, not just as a classroom subject, but as a force for social equity, environmental resilience, and empowered citizenship. I want to tell the young delegates in this room that you are not just participants, but you are pioneers. Your voice matters and your ideas matter. Your leadership is not only welcome, but also essential in today's world. RISE stands with you in supporting your journey and building on this partnership. Thank you very much.